Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply this special zoom effect in Camtasia Studio. Let me show you a brief demonstration over here. I'm playing it. You can see part of screen zooms up and then it get back to its original position. There are many ways that you can apply zoom effect in Camtasia Studio. One of my favorite that I usually use is zoom and pan. Go to animation, zoom and pan. Suppose we want to see this font group more clearly, then we can apply this zoom effect. Just grab this rectangular box right from here and drag it up so that you can see clearly this font group over here. Now you can go to a specific position where you want this zoom effect to get back to its original size. Let me drag my cursor right over here and I would click on scale to fit. And let me play to show you how this works. You can see it's increased and now it's get back to its original position. Other zoom effect that I have demonstrated at the start of the video can be applied like this. First, select part of a screen that you would like to zoom on, then press Ctrl C from your keyboard and again press Ctrl V to paste it. Now this copied screen must be dragged right in between this selected part on the top of this base layer. Select this copied layer of the screen, go to crop tool and then crop this screen in such a way that only the part that you would like to zoom on remains. Drag it from here and this is the part that we would like to apply our zoom effect. First, select this cropped screen, go to custom, drag it over here. Now click on this arrow button and increase its size like this. Now drag the cursor to a position where you want this zoom effect to go away and now go to restore, drag it like this and leave it over here. And let me show you how this works. I'm playing it. You can see it's zoomed up and now it's getting back to its original position. I hope you have learned something new in today's video. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.